Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make a hover effect on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find create a new folder and then create a new site. Right here in the center, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the sites that you have on Wix. And right now we're going to go to the site that we want to edit. I'm going to go to this one, hover the mouse over it, and then you're going to find the option to select and edit site. Go ahead and click on it, and then just wait for your dashboard to load. And then this is how it will look like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And then you will be redirected to this page right here. So just wait for it to load. Basically, guys, this is going to be the editor for your Wix site. And then here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize your site. So right now, I'm going to click on add element. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can add any element that you want. You can add a text, image, button, and so on. So right now, I'm going to go to box. And then once you click on box, here you're going to find my boxes, themed boxes, container boxes, hover boxes, and tabs. Click on hover boxes and then choose the hover box design that you want. As you can see guys right here, for example, I'm going to choose this one. New arrivals. You can customize, of course, your box right here. You can change the background, change the text, the button, and so on. And then once you finish, you can just click on save here in the top or publish to go live. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.